This is a video on how to sell your iTunes single to your Instagram followers. Okay, so we're going to go down to audience, and then we're going to select the custom audience IG followers. If you've seen my previous videos, we've already learned how to create a custom audience focusing on Instagram business profile. And then we named our audience. In this particular example, the audience is named IG followers. Then you're going to select your location, age, and gender. If you do not know your fan base and you have no idea what to put in these sections, go to Facebook Audience Insights and or Google Trends. And those websites can go further into detail on which demographic you should target. Okay, so in this example, I want to go straight into detailed targeting. So when you're trying to sell your iTunes single, you're going to want to sell it to people who already know who you are. Your IG followers, they have been following you for a while. They're on the top of the funnel. They know who you are. Even if they're newcomers, they probably scam through your post and your IGTV. So when your single comes out and you're ready to start selling your iTunes single, now you can create a Facebook or Instagram ad to target them. Right, so we're going to target your Instagram followers, and then we're going to go into detailed targeting, and we're going to target people who have an interest in iTunes Store. If they have an interest in iTunes Store, you know that they use iTunes Store frequently. And you know if they buy from iTunes Store, they're going to have no problem going to iTunes Store to buy your single.